Hello everyone. Today we are going to read about the seafloor spreading theory. This is the module 5 of chapter 4, distribution of ocean and currents of fundamental of physical geography book. Actually, that we yesterday discussed or before yesterday that the convection current theory, the ocean floor mapping, the sea floor spreading, actually all these theories are called as post drift theories. Means these theories given by different authors after the theory given by Alfred Wegener in 1912. So that's why these theories called as post-drift theories. So these theories are most important theories because these theories provided a considerable information that was not available at the time of Wegener and also help us to know about the drifting of continent and oceans. So, the mapping of the ocean floor and the paleomagnetic studies of the rocks. Paleomagnetic studies of the rocks means the studies of the rock property, their ages and different things. So, the paleomagnetic studies of rocks from the oceanic region revealed the following fact. Seafloor. As we already discussed, the ocean floor configuration that there are different type of relief feature not only exist on our earth surface, also exist on the oceanic crust also. These are continental shelf, slope, abyssal plain, volcanic arc, volcanic islands, coral reefs, trenches, continental rises, mid-oceanic ridges. So these are the different landforms also we can say that exist on ocean floor. So the most important landform that is, or we can say the most important feature, that is the trenches. These trenches are important because they give a great significance of the seafloor spreading. In the previous topic, we also discussed that the asthenosphere, or we can say the weaker zone having the molten material called as magma, and this magma beneath the water surface come through from this ridge, and the continuous supply of the magma is responsible for the formation of new crust at the sea bottom. This is the satellite picture of the Atlantic Ocean. Here you can see this is the Atlantic Ocean, America, Europe, Africa. So between the Africa, Europe and North America, South America, there in S shape, this is the Atlantic Ocean. This ocean is known as S shape because the shape of the ocean is approximately S, as you can see. So this is called as S shape ocean. So the mid-oceanic ridge, you can see there is a formation of new ocean crust. This is a satellite picture. So by all these things, as well as we discussed the mid-oceanic ridge, the important feature of the ocean floor. So the red line you can see in different all over the different ocean in the world. So these red line, these are the longest chain of the mountains the world and formed due to the divergent movement of the plate boundaries. Plate movement or plate tectonic we will discuss in the next module in enlarged form. So by studying all these facts, the Harry has concluded that the long mountain ranges existed throughout the floor of the ocean called mid-oceanic ridges, and the longest one run through the middle ocean, or called as Atlantic Ocean, and it is called the Mid-Oceanic Ridge because it exists in the mid of the earth. That why it's called as Mid-Oceanic Ridge or Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So he devised a theory called as seafloor spreading theory. Harry has in 1962 provided or given a theory which called as seafloor, and in this theory he explained that the mid-oceanic ridge means at the mid-oceanic ridge there is a molten material rises. As I explained in the previous diagrams, the molten material is rises in this mid-oceanic ridge, and there is a spread out, and it move or flow to the outer area of this ridge. The new material pushed the old material, and in the both sides there is a formation of new material, and this process is continue going on, means the new material come out and pushes the old material, and old material move apart from the central area, and there is a formation of new material. So this proven the seafloor spreading, and the American scientist named as Harry Hess proposed the theory in 1962 called as seafloor spreading. In this, he stated that there is a new ocean crust is being created at mid-oceanic ridges and destroyed the oceanic crust at the deep sea trenches. This is the proof that the plates are moving along a conveying belt. So Wagner's idea on continent drift was absolutely correct. Thank you.